Once you get to the DMV Interiors website, click on the Essentials link or select the Click to Begin button. From there, download the 7 essential elements of design. Go through each of the 7 elements and write down your estimate on what you have already purchased and your projected budget to finish your space. Once you complete your planner, click on the consultation link and schedule a 30-minute complimentary consultation with me to discuss your design needs. Once you've downloaded and completed the 7 elements of Design's budget planner, I'll create a floor plan of your project, and from there, we'll start bringing in the design elements for your space from a number of retail sources. Depending on the size, scale, and the scope of your project, I will create an inventory list of the design elements for your space and work behind the scenes, assisting you with keeping your design project and budget on track. I'll provide you with a similar spreadsheet that you can modify and use throughout your project. This is the approach that we will follow as we design one room at a time or your entire home.